State of West Bengal, where there is no end to the showdown that is taking place between Mamata Banerjee and the Election Commission of India. Now, after the Election Commission suspended 7 state officials over alleged irregularities, Mamata Banerjee has sharpened her attack on the constitutional body. The TMC chief has branded the Election Commission as the Tughlaki Commission. She is accusing it of acting under political influence. Now, she also went ahead and said that the Election Commission is being controlled by the BJP and the EC is working only to appease the Bharatiya Janata Party. She claims that this exercise unfairly targets minorities, OBCs, Adivasis, and has now started to question why such a critical process is being rushed amid the festival season. Mamata Banerjee also has promised that state officers will be facing penalties if something goes wrong. The BJP, however, has been countering Mamata Banerjee and saying that she is undermining the constitutional institutions and praising flawed elections abroad, fostering appeasement politics in her own state. The Election Commission yesterday suspended 7 West Bengal officials over alleged irregularities in the SIR process. They are now facing charges of misconduct and neglect. Disciplinary action now is underway. The Chief Secretary has been directed to act against all these officers.
I have never seen this type of Tughlaki Commission who are running the commission through a particular political party. They are going to destroy the democratic fabric of India. They are now going to bulldoze the federalism. They are interfering in every state matter. They are threatening culture. And if you ask me to say in one word, it is atrocious, terrible.
Kindly see what is the attitude of the Election Commission. They are having power for a limited period. So they have done it because Supreme Court has already given so many strictures, in form of observations. Therefore, what they have to do? If someone scolds you, you are in a little off mood, and then you try to scold someone else who are subordinates to you. This is what they are doing. We'll look into the result.
এইটা পুরো এসআইআর প্রক্রিয়াতে প্রথম ইলেকশন কমিশন তার পাওয়ার এক্সারসাইজ করেছে। এরপরে ইলেকশন কমিশন চাইলে এফআইআর করতে পারে এবং যে ইয়ারোরা 7 জন সাসপেন্ড হলেন আমরা জানি খুব বৈধভাবে উপযুক্ত কারণে করেছে। এরা ফেক স্কুল সার্টিফিকেট অ্যাকসেপ্ট করেছে, এরা প্যান কার্ড অ্যাকসেপ্ট করেছেন, এরা অ্যাকসেপ্ট করেছেন নোটারির কাছে এফিডেভিট। ইলেকশন কমিশনের যে 13টি গাইডলাইন আছে তাকে সম্পূর্ণরূপে ভায়োলেট করেছেন এরা। মূলত তৃণমূলের কথায় ডিএম বা ডিইওদের চাপে